Dhaka is the capital and largest city of Bangladesh, located in South Asia. It serves as the political, economic, and cultural heart of the country, with a rich history that spans centuries. The city lies on the banks of the Baraganga River, in the central region of Bangladesh, and is one of the most densely populated cities in the world. Historical background: Dhaka's history dates back to ancient times, and it has been an important cultural and economic hub for centuries. The city was a prominent center under various empires, including the Bengal Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. It became the capital of Bengal during the Mughal period in the 17th century, and it prospered as a center of trade, particularly in textiles, which were highly prized globally. After the decline of the Mughal Empire, Dhaka went through several political changes. It became part of British India in the 18th century. Following the partition of India in 1947, Dhaka became part of East Pakistan, and eventually, it became the capital of the independent nation of Bangladesh after the country gained independence in 1971. Geography and climate: Dhaka is situated at an elevation of about 4 meters 13 feet above sea level, with a tropical monsoon climate. The city experiences 3 main seasons: a hot summer, a monsoon rainy season, and a mild winter. Summer temperatures can soar above 40 degrees Celsius (104 degrees Fahrenheit), while the monsoon season brings heavy rainfall and humidity from June to September. Winters are relatively cooler, with temperatures often ranging between 10 degrees Celsius (50 degrees Fahrenheit) and 25 degrees Celsius (77 degrees Fahrenheit). Dhaka is located in a river delta, which contributes to the city's lush greenery but also makes it prone to flooding, especially during the monsoon season. Population and demographics: with a population exceeding 20 million people, Dhaka is one of the most densely populated cities in the world. It is the primary center for migration from rural areas of Bangladesh, as people move to the city in search of work and better opportunities. As a result, the population is highly diverse, with a mix of ethnic groups and communities from all over the country. While Bengali is the official language, English is widely used in business and government. Dhaka has a youthful population, with a significant portion under the age of 30, contributing to its vibrancy and growth potential. Economy: Dhaka is the economic powerhouse of Bangladesh, contributing to a large share of the nation's GDP. The city is home to a thriving textile industry, particularly the garment sector, which is one of the largest in the world. Other important industries include food processing, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and information technology. The city's economy also benefits from a robust service sector, with a growing number of multinational companies establishing offices in Dhaka. Despite its economic growth, Dhaka faces challenges related to poverty, unemployment, and the informal economy. The rapid urbanization and lack of proper infrastructure have led to significant traffic congestion, inadequate housing, and an overburdened public transport system. Infrastructure and transport: Dhaka's infrastructure has struggled to keep up with its rapid population growth. The city has a limited road network, and traffic jams are a common feature of daily life, causing delays and inefficiency. The public transport system is underdeveloped, with buses, rickshaws, and auto rickshaws being the primary modes of transport. However, a metro rail system is under construction to alleviate congestion and improve urban mobility. The city's drainage system is also insufficient, contributing to frequent flooding during the monsoon season. Dhaka has a number of bridges, but the constant increase. Dhaka is a cultural melting pot, with a rich heritage that reflects its long history and the diverse influences that have shaped the city. The city is home to numerous historic sites, including the Lalbagh Fort, the Ahsan Manzil, and the National Museum, all of which showcase the city's Mughal and colonial past. Bangladeshi cuisine, known for its rich flavors and spices, is a vital part of Dhaka's cultural identity. Street food is ubiquitous in the city, with vendors selling a variety of snacks such as fuka pani puri, chutpoti, and kebabs. Traditional sweets like Roshigala and Chomchom are also popular. Dhaka is also home to a thriving arts scene, with theaters, galleries, and cultural festivals. The city has a vibrant music scene, with both traditional Bengali music and contemporary genres thriving. Challenges: while Dhaka continues to grow economically, it faces a range of significant challenges. The rapid population growth has resulted in an overburdened infrastructure, with inadequate roads, sanitation, and public services. Air pollution is a significant problem, with emissions from vehicles, factories, and construction sites contributing to the city's poor air quality. Other environmental concerns include water pollution in the rivers surrounding the city and the loss of green spaces. Moreover, Dhaka faces regular flooding due to heavy rains and the rising water levels of the rivers. Social issues such as poverty, homelessness, and inadequate healthcare and education also persist, despite efforts by the government and non-governmental organizations to improve conditions. Future outlook. Despite its challenges, Dhaka continues to be a key player in the economic and cultural landscape of South Asia. The government is investing in infrastructure projects like the metro rail system and new roads, which are expected to alleviate some of the city's growing pains. Urban planning initiatives are being implemented to address housing shortages and improve living conditions. As the city modernizes, there is also an increasing focus on sustainability, with efforts to clean up rivers, reduce pollution, and enhance green spaces. Dhaka's future will likely involve a balance between growth and addressing the environmental, social, and infrastructure challenges that accompany such rapid urbanization. In conclusion, Dhaka is a city of contrasts, bustling and vibrant, yet facing significant challenges. It is a testament to the resilience of its people and their ability to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing world.